Hello, everyone. I hope you can hear me clearly. Now I'm starting the live. I can see most of you are starting to comment. They didn't see anything, but I was on hold. So I hope you can hear me clearly. Type yes if you can hear me clearly, and tap that the love button on the YouTube. And also, let's hit 20 people so we can start the analysis. And before we even start, I want to see how many people took the yesterday's trades. How many people got to get a chance to take the yesterday's trades we did yesterday? Yeah, let's hit more than 20 people. And then, yeah, as we start this live, Spongy Mpole, how are you? I can see Wanjiru, hi. The Kenyan boy, how are you? Alex Njej, how are you? Okay, so guys, can you hear me? Can you hear me clearly? And those on TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. You can go and watch me. So today it's very short and straightforward to the point. Bonteva and Tenga. Hello, Bonteva. Yesterday, did you take? Actually, yesterday gold played well. The analysis I gave on gold, the analysis I gave on GU. Let me see on the comment section. Let's engage before we start. Which yes, I took GBP USD. Which pair did you take? Let me see on the comment section. Alex says that he took GBP USD. Which other pair did you take? Let's see which other pair did you take. Let's see in the comment section. Finley Moragwe and Spongy Mpole said they took gold. Which other pair did you take? Bonteva and this Bonteva and I don't know the name, but which pair did you take yesterday? Muindi Felix says he took gold. I say a lot of. If you took gold, I took gold. If you took gold, then you made a lot of money yesterday. Gold moved more than 500 pips yesterday, and I gave the signal. It was a very instant entry. And actually, yesterday I recommended you how to trade a flag. I showed you how to trade a flag. And those on my TikTok, let's just join me on my YouTube channel. That's why you can be able to see the analysis. I don't share analysis on TikTok anymore. So let's engage. Hi, we are more than 20 people now. Let's engage. Which pair did you trade yesterday? And I think we had a trade which didn't materialize yesterday. We had so many pairs materializing, but I think there's one. Where is this lady? There's this lady. She's my big supporter. I can't remember, but yesterday she was asking me about a pair she took. She took GBP JPY. Yeah, GBP JPY didn't materialize yesterday. Took a re-entry during the New York session, gold on fair value gap. It's JMO. Yes, I see a lot of people took gold. It seems you guys love trading gold. And those lighting happy birthday. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's my birthday month. Yeah, life needs to be celebrated. Okay, let's continue. So I see quite a number of you benefited from yesterday live, the one we did analysis on TikTok, no, on YouTube. And those on TikTok, make sure that you join me live on my YouTube channel. I'm live as Dr. Forex, and you can only access the link through my Telegram. You can also access the link through my profile on TikTok. There's a link there. And also you can go direct to the YouTube channel and search this Dr. Forex. So which pair are you looking forward to trade today? So let me share my screen so you can go directly because I'm just brief to what we are doing yesterday. And then, yeah, today is a quick short one. It's our time. We are running out of time. It's 11:24. So we have more than 24 people live. Okay. Hello. Is it true that candle movement alone cannot make you profitable trader? Candle movement. You cannot be able to predict the market through the candlestick only. No, 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 no. I can't even really try to tell you to depend on candlesticks. Yeah. So candlestick is just parcel for you in trading. So, but I can tell you to really focus on candlesticks. So let's hit more than 30. Eugene Otieno is asking a question. Let's hit more than 30 and then we can kickstart. Yeah. It's time to share the screen. Okay, so I'll just do a quick recap of what we did yesterday, of the pairs that we were looking up to yesterday. And then from there, we can continue to today's analysis. So I remember yesterday on Euro CHF, I said I don't have a clear direction on Euro CHF since this market is consolidating on a daily time frame. If there's not any buyers that is giving me the market on a daily time frame, I don't see the direction, so I can't be able to trade that market. So on EuroCard, On Eurocard, you can remember yesterday we said the market. You remember when I was trying to educate you that don't try to buy this market. I remember yesterday showing you this very good demand, but I showed you there's a way you can be able to tell a demand is going to be broken. And I showed you this area as a big demand area. And I just a little bit. Okay, so let's continue. So I said on 4 hours that this market is going to break this area. There's a way you can be able to tell. And remember that another thing. Let me add something on what I taught yesterday. I said whenever there's a flag being formed near the market touching a zone, like a bearish flag. This is a bearish flag which was formed here, and the market has not really clearly touched a major demand zone. Most likely the market comes and break that zone. So most likely the market comes and break that zone, which is the near demand zone. So never try to oppose a market whereby we have an order block on daily where I said that you have this order block here, and it shows that clearly the market has to break this area so the market can retrace all the way back to this order block, and then we are going to look for an end when the market come back to this order block. So let's go to GPP card. So today in the morning I gave this pair on GPP card, I gave a sell. So this one is a long-term sell on GPP card, and today in the morning I gave this sales on VIP. It has already touched the TP. I gave this pair. You can clearly see this on VIP. I gave GPP card sales, and it has already touched our TP. So you can make a step and join our VIP. And this pair on daily time frame, we were looking forward for it to break this zone. You can clearly see that the market has already broken the trend line on the daily time frame, of which we are looking forward to. So I'm looking forward for a very good next drop all the way. This is a long-term trade on GPP card. So what is the re-entry of GPP card? The re-entry of GPP card will be back again on this order block area, which is left on 4 hours. So this one is a done setup. So don't check this setup because we have already took this setup. We took this setup early in the morning or around 6. So I'm waiting for this market to come back again to this order block. That's when you are going to have another re-entry on GPP card. So this is an A setup. For those who knows how I do analyze my market. So this is an A setup. So be keen when the market come back again to this order block. You can clearly see the order block on 4 hours. So you are going to have another setup. This is exactly like today's setups. A sell again, but continue to sell. Someone is asking Nicholas Moss, how much for VIP? For VIP, we charge $30 for 2 weeks and $50 for a month. How much for VIP monthly? You can text me on my Telegram. I'll get a review. So I'm reading also the comments on the YouTube, and then we continue on US Pile. Yesterday we gave these sales on US oil, and then you remember yesterday we were doing this analysis on US oil. Since Friday we did analysis on US oil. We were looking forward for sales on US oil, and I said, on daily time frame we had a head and shoulder, and we were looking forward for the market to continue dropping. On 4 hours, the same case. So it has already broken the areas on which I was trailing yesterday. We are waiting for this market to break. So what are we going to do? There's no any clear order block. Is there any order block left? Is there any order block left here on 4 hours? Yes, there's an order block here. So we can have another re-entry on US oil once market come back again to this area. So we can have such a setup once the market is back to that area, on this area. And then continue selling US oil. And then let's continue Euro JPY. Now the JPY pairs, I'm still waiting for a clear direction of where the market is heading to. Though I want to see a clear direction on the Euro JPY, USD JPY, and also GBP JPY. But I see there's a problem with the USD JPY today is because of the USD is very strong. So on 4 hours, we have this inverse head and shoulder, but of which I can't really recommend anyone to take this USD JPY because currently it's forming a flag, and flag is a continuation pattern, and then we have a reverse pattern over head and shoulder. So I want to clearly see where the market is heading to, and most of likely when you have such a setup over head and shoulder and a flag, the flag really plays well. So I'm looking forward to see the clear direction on USD JPY. So for this one, I'm putting it on a pause. I'm putting it on a pause to see a clear direction on where the market is heading to on USD JPY, because this is a clear continuation pattern on USD JPY. And then Euro USD, yesterday I gave ourselves on Euro USD. You can remember this setup that I shared yesterday. more sales on Euro USD, and then we took yesterday because of this bearish flag, which was represented here. The market continued to drop, is almost hitting our TP. So how many people took USD JP? No, Euro JPY. Let's see on the comment section. Which criteria do you find order block? I'll talk about it. So post those questions. Once I'm done with the analysis, you can ask me those questions about the order block and which criteria I use to check on the order block. Those watching me on YouTube or no, watching me on TikTok, kindly go to my YouTube channel. I'm live on my YouTube channel. So let me see on the comment section on YouTube how many people took Euro USD, because I shared this. This one was an instant trade also yesterday, so it's almost hitting TP. And also we have another order block left here. Let's see on daily time frame. Okay, so we are going to experience a small retracement on so I'll have to pause on Euro USD. So the next 1-2 days I'll be observing it to see a little bit of correction so as you can continue selling it. But if you took the yesterday's analysis, you can continue holding it all the way to the TP. I have deleted the setup, but it's okay. Let me see. Yeah, the setup is like that. So that's the setup of yesterday's. So the tip is here. And yes, so Jane Gadoga is saying that he took Euro USD. Have you closed Jane Gadoga? Have you closed the take profit on Euro USD? So most of the time, so I said, so as you can benefit from such analysis, you make sure that you be joining my analysis since Monday, because today's on Tuesday. We are doing more continuation of what we did yesterday. So today we are not doing a lot of deep analysis, because yesterday you can notice that yesterday we did a lot of analysis. So most of our trades are still learning and they are in profit. So you just a continuation of what we did yesterday. Euro AUD. Okay, so Euro AUD, this one was a trade on Friday. We were waiting it for the head and shoulder this particular point. And I said, whenever a market misses my zone, I normally don't chase the market. So I'll just still wait for this market to come back again to this area so that I can have my entries. I don't have any more entries on Euro AUD. NZD card, this is on which time frame? This is on 4 hours. This is a flag being formed. So most says there will be more sales on NZD card. So we are looking for entries, more sales on NZD card. We are going to experience a short position here. You can clearly see when you know how to analyze the market, it's very easy for you to identify where the direction or how to have your positions in the market. So I'm looking forward for more sales on NZD card. Let's see on daily time frame. Is there a red flag? Okay. So, and make sure that on this pair you don't overload sales, because this one is not an A setup on NZD card. So use a moderate lot size on it. You know, there are those pairs that do say about their A setups and others they are not A setups. Jen Gadoga said not yet closed. Okay, you're still running it on Euro USD. Okay, it's still okay. Keep holding it. On the JPY pairs, I've said until I have a clear direction of the JPY, that's when I'll be have a clear direction of the JPY pairs. GPP AUD. Okay, so this is clearly a flag. For me, this is a flag that is being formed here. For me, I'm looking forward on a continuation of buys on GBP AUD. I'll be looking for more setups of buys on GBP AUD, more buy setups, and a very tight stop loss here because this is a flag being formed. A stop loss below this red candle here. So, you know, a flag has a top and the bottom part of it. So I like catching my entries on the bottom of the flag. So how many pips are we risking here? How many pips are we risking here? So you'll notice anytime I'm having an entry, I normally calculate my risk. I have a stop loss of 25 pips. And GPP AUD has a very good pip value. So make sure you use your risk, use proper risk. And then how many pips am I targeting? 196. So this one is adding up for me. So, but this one goes slowly on it because you can have your small lot sizes here and have your other material goal layers once we clear the highs of here. Once we make a new high on it on GPP. I know Jane Gadoga, are you on GPP? You're the one who asked me about GPP in the morning. German 40. This German 40 has been a while since I traded German 40. I don't have any view on German 40. GBPCHF. It's already dropped. Is there another block left there on 1 hour? No. Daily? No. I don't have views on GPP, CHF. Let me go directly to the pairs that we were trading. AUD, CHF also. We had a view on AUD, CHF yesterday. I know this one didn't materialize because you can clearly see. Oh, this one is the one that hit TP yesterday. This one is the one that hit TP1. TP1 was hit yesterday, and then the market is back again. So let me tell you. So in such scenario, let me remove all the drawings here. In such a scenario on GPP because I see the market is about to change their direction, because on daily time frame you can see there's a green candle which is binding the red candle. I will wait until this daily candle closes, today's, and when this candlestick of today's closes with this bearish form, it will be a clear indication that this is an OB left on daily time frame, and I will now start selling GBP AUD CHF. I'll start selling AUD CHF on daily time frame. So for clear confirmation until the daily candlestick closes for today, because yesterday we took our entries yesterday off because of this order block, and then hit our TP yesterday. And the reason why the market is dropping is because we have this head and shoulder. You can clearly see this area, guys. Can you clearly see this? This is a clear indication of a bearish form of bearish formation. And now for us to have because we have already missed the entries, because why we had our TP1 was another entry for sales. Now because now we have already missed our entry on why we are supposed to take an entry, now I will only wait for this confirmation on daily time frame, the candlestick to close on a bearish, to confirm for me that is more bearish. So tomorrow we are looking for more sales on AUD CHF. So that's when we can have entries tomorrow, and this decision can only be based once the daily time frame closed. Okay, so GPP JPY. This GPP JPY, we have 4 hours. So another view on GPP JPY, the reason why I say I'm clearly waiting to see a clear direction, you can clearly see GPP JPY has been following this trend line. So I'm waiting for this market to do a clear of breakout and retest, so you can have another entries. Sorry, let me close this ad. So I'm waiting for a clear direction of a break and retest, and then we continue selling GBP But until it break and close below, this is not a breakout. Let me tell you guys. So those watching me on YouTube, so this is not a clear breakout. A clear breakout is when the candlestick is holding below, because the candlestick can break but fails to break to hold below the market price. So for me, until we have a clear breakout, that's when we can have another re-entry once the market retests this trend line. That's the view on GBP JPY. And AUDSD, also I gave trades on USD, AUDSD. How many people took AUDSD yesterday? I remember insisting on this pair yesterday. I remember insisting on this AUDSD yesterday. How many people took? Let me see on the comment section on YouTube. How many people took AUD yesterday? And can you remember, if you can clearly remember this analysis I did yesterday, type yes. So can you type yes if you remember this analysis on AUD USD? I wanted to see your comment section. Yes. I hope the same people are watching me are the same people who are watching me yesterday. So I'm talking about AUDSD. I did the analysis yesterday. Is the voice clear? I'm not sure if you guys can hear me clearly, but I did this analysis on AUDSD. I do not delete my analysis. So once you have opened that chart and I see the same analysis I did yesterday, I know it has really moved slowly. Munda Felix, yes, is saying yes. Okay. So this is a view. So once we had this entry, I don't have any other view until it is fully accomplished to the TP. So yeah, I bet you say we are 88. What about Bitcoin? I know you have money now, 88,000. And then, okay, we had another A setup on USD CHF. This pair is the one that we are waiting for this market for this week. We are waiting for USD CHF to come back to this order block. Patiently waiting for this market to come back to this order block. So keep waiting, and have your alarms, have your alerts at this order block on 4 hours on USD CHF. USD CHF is an A setups. So you clearly know now that when I have A setups and I have like the ones I tell you use moderate losses, but an USD CHF is an A setup you have been waiting for. So GU I've already done. So let me see on the comment sections. So which pair are you looking forward for me to check? Okay, I'm not checking gold today. Though gold, we had another flag in the morning. This was another flag here. This is another flag waiting for the market to drop. But now at the current now market price for gold, give it a break, because yesterday I gave this entry yesterday. Sorry, let me show you. We had these entries on gold yesterday. I know our TP and the market went oversized overestimated of what we estimated. This was how many pips? This was 262 pips, and you are risking how many pips? Less than 23 pips. So currently on gold, I would say is that now wait for a correction of the market. So wait for a correction of the market, give it a break, because we have had very impulsive movement, and I can't tell you now to, because of course I'm waiting for a correction of the market. I can't tell you now to oppose the direction of the market and try to buy gold, because you now find yourself in a hood. So the only thing you can do is wait for the market to do a correction. On Forex, do you have any other block here? We don't have any other block here. The only other block we have is here. Let me remove all those now. The only other block we have currently on 4 hours is here. So I'll be waiting patiently for gold now to have a good retracement, because I can clearly see now, even now, it has already passed the area zone. So don't try to buy gold. I know most of you will be like, okay, we are back to a demand. Now we start buying gold. No, 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 no. I'll patiently wait for this market to come back again to this order block. Because of this order block, let me show you. Whenever I have extensions from the left, this side is the right, no, the left. You can clearly see we have a formation over the head, the shoulder, and the shoulder. So I wait clearly for this market to come back and again tap this order block. So this one is a long-term trade, so you have to be patient. It doesn't blame glucose. So this one you wait clearly. You have to be very patiently waiting for it to market come back again here. So we continue selling gold. Sorry. So you can clearly continue selling gold from this zone. This is the only point you can clearly continue selling gold, because the formation of the hair, shoulders, the same hair and shoulders, and this other block that we have here on 4 hours. Okay, so I'm not seeing the flag on GU. Okay, let me reply on Kenyan boy. So I'm replying the comment section because I'm done. So you can ask me which pair you want me to check out for you. GU. And those on TikTok, make sure that you go to my live on YouTube. That's why you can clearly see the analysis. GU. This is GU. We gave the sales yesterday because of the flag, and now it's almost surpassing the TP. It has already surpassed our TP take profit. Yeah, the dollar is very strong. The dollar is very strong. The dollar is performing well. Okay, so this is the flag that I was talking on GU. So clearly, the current we don't have any market structure. There's no any flag. There's no any order block. There's nothing. There's totally nothing on GU. So yeah, someone is doing Euro GBP, Euro GBP, Euro GBP. Someone they asked me to check Euro GBP. This Euro GBP. Okay. So I have no any analysis on Euro GBP, so I have to analyze it from scratch. So let me show you. So Euro GBP currently is holding below the market price on the near demand zone on daily time frame. Weekly close with a very bearish engulfing. On daily, a little bit of retracement on 4 hours. Okay, so the only zone I can now look forward for me to have your entries on Euro GBP, not this zone. I know, Jen, the other day you're looking forward to have this zone here, but on 4 hours, I have this zone here. I've seen already spotted. This is the last zone I have on Euro GBP. I can wait for this market to tap this zone so that I can continue selling it. So to avoid a lot of, it's okay. So this is the zone I can look forward to have my entries on Euro GBP, because this is the last zone buying zone, the last selling zone. I mean, we have the sell zone here, yes, because of break and restructure, because we have this break and retest. You have this break and retest, and you have this break and retest can be very valid. So wait for this 1 hour to close Jane Gadoga. So 1 hour, if 1 hour closes the confirmation of a shooting star, then I can clearly give you a confirmation for sales on Euro GBP on 1 hour. And I have your stop process here. So we have two re-entries. We have this one drop, and a stop loss are way above here. And then on 4 hours, we have this. If you first break from to drop from there, the next series is here. So that's the view on Euro GBP. Outlook for JPY, USD JPY. For some Gadoku USD JPY, I don't have any view currently. Today a setup, Eric. Today's a setup NZD card. Okay, I have given a setup NZD card. I will a little bit. I'm answering you, Eric Hills. Okay, so NZD card, NZD card, NZD card, NZD card. Let me check for you NZD card. Since I don't have NZD card on my watch list, let me add it now. So those watching me on TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel as a Dr. Forex. The link is on my Telegram. Also, the link is on my profile. You can go and watch me on YouTube. Mr. Ben, where are you located? Our office is located along Thika Road, Lumumba Drive, NZD card. Oh, it seems I have it on a watch list. So let me check it. Yeah, it is. Oh, okay. Now there's another asset. For NZD card, I'm looking forward for more sales on NZD card because this is a flag. So this is a flag on NZD card. I'm looking for more sales now. This is an instant one. So sales on NZD card because this is a flag that is being formed here. Yeah, these are clearly flag that is being formed. So there's someone who has asked me about NZD card. I don't remember his comment, but Imesonga. Okay, is it easy to listen and learn from him? It's easy to listen and learn from him because his voice is so calm. I'm glad I came across your channel. Thank you. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Grace M, USDCHF again, please. I'll answer Grace M. We have an A setup on USDCHF. This is a view on USDCHF. I hope you can hear me clearly. So on USDCHF, I'm waiting for the market to come back again to this order block on 4 hours. So I know, let me repeat again, how to mark or how to identify a valid order block. So a valid order block is identified by the time frame that you saw the order block. Like clearly we are seeing the order block on 4 hours. So meaning I'm waiting for this market to come back again to this order block, not to close on 4 hours, not to close below this order block, either to close within or touch and leave a week. Unajua a week ni kamkia, leave a week within this zone and then close above it. That shows that order block is very respected. So we are going to have our entries of our buys and then the market continue buying. So these are our entries on order on USD CHF. That's a view on USD CHF. Jane Gadoga, how about GBP, NZD, and Euro NZD? I don't really check Euro NZD because I don't like them because of the big spread, and GBP and NZD. They really have very big spreads. I don't think even have them on my watch list because I find them very, these Euro NZD, they have very big spread. This is on 4 hours. This is another block being left there. So don't try to buy Euro NZD. I know Jane Gadoga, you are looking forward to buy this. So those on YouTube channel, you have a scenario of these major demands on being observed here. So let me educate you something. Whenever you have such a zone and the market is leaving this green candle here, never try to buy here. I know you can clearly see this is an area for interest for you to buy. Never buy because this is an order block being left here and the market has a high probability of breaking below. Unless by the time of closing, which is the 4 hours, this red candle closes above the green candle. It shows that this zone is respected. Until this market close these 4 hours, it will show us a clear direction. But for me, this one is more says on Euro NZD. Okay, so do you check indices? I'm venturing Samsung. No. Samsung, maybe you can let me which one. How do we set alarm on trading view? Bosco Muti. Oh, Bosco is my student. No, you have not been coming to class. Okay, so let me show you how to set up an alarm. There's two ways of setting an alarm. Unaweza tumia hii horizontal line, ukuje uiweke tu kama hapo, na utumie alarm, uweke tu nini ini Euro NZD. Euro NZD. Uweke hapo hivyo, close line na uweke hapo hivyo. So meaning, hela, as getting, nafaa ni delete, naona nimeweka nafaa ni delete more alarm. I think I have so many. So to have many alarms, you need to subscribe to premium and trading view premium. So let me delete some of them. So I'll do like an example of USDCHF because we are waiting for USDCHF to close at the order block. So let me do an alert on USDCHF. You came here. What is USDCHF? Guys, can you see it on the watch list? USDCHF. Oh, yeah, it is. So this is USDCHF. So on 4 hours, this is how you make an order block here. Okay, so let's say you saw the price here is you have to write down. So you take a book, 0.8759. You know, like USDCHF is coded by 4 decimal places. So you know, like majority of currency pair, they are quoted with 4 decimal places, and then except the ones involving Japanese, then they are quoted with 2 decimal places. Like now, USDCHF is quoted with 4, so we write down 0.8759 because this is the price you are looking for to be notified when the market hit this price. So I don't use the close line to have my alert, so I just want to do it manually. So I'll delete it and then come and have my notification, not my alert here, and then plus, and then price value. So on this value, you write down the price. So we are looking at 8759, and then you just create. You can trigger once nile unaekanga to alarm. You want to be notified mara moja, mara tatu, ama every time. So I want to be triggered once it get to that prices and create. So you can clearly see there's a black dotted line imeformiwa hapo. So this dotted line unaona imeclose hapo hivyo inanionyesha that clearly there is an alert iko hapo inaniambia USDCHF close line 0.7, I get notified. So ukiweka hata kwa simu you'll get notified, and you can see this one. That's how we place an alert on USDCHF. I hope umepata Bosco. So lazima ujue ni price gani, and then unakuja hapo alert, and then unaweka plus, and then unaweka price yenye unataka ku notify market ikifika hapo. Do XAUSD. I have already done XAUSD, but I'll repeat it. Samson Karanja anasema ni muangalie US30 na Nasdaq 100. Yes. So let's hit 40 people. Let's engage. Type something on the comment section. Ask me any question. Let's engage on the comment section. I see we have around 39 people. Today hatujafika 50. But I want you to see the comment section. The comment section, like, what has been your challenge when it comes to market analysis? Are you good in analysis? What's the biggest challenge? Lakini mtu asiandike challenge yake ni capital, because capital is a big challenge for everyone, because nobody will come ever to solve your capital issues. Honestly, that's the bitter pill about trading and bitter pill about life. Nobody will come to solve your financial crisis until you pull yourself out of that crisis. So let me see your biggest challenge when it comes to forex trading. Let me see. Can you repeat NZD card? I'll repeat Bonteva because you are my biggest fan. I do see you. Good work, bro. Kinoti, thank you so much. So let me repeat NZD card as I see the comment section. Wait for to see the comment sections. NZD card, NZD card, NZD card. Mtu anza na $10 hapa. So those on TikTok, watch me on YouTube channel, NZD card. NZD card. Where is it? Why can't I see NZD card on watch list? NZD CHF. Okay. 1 hour. Yes. So NZD card I'm looking for sales and sell hapo and a stop loss way above this flag, because for me this is a bearish flag for being formed here. So I'm looking for more sales on NZD card unless the flag is not touched and the flag is not materializing. But for me, this is more bearish on NZD card. And how is it daily? Okay, so I'm looking for more sales on NZD card. So the one so Bonteva, I'm looking for more sales on NZD card. So Kenyan boy anauliza maswali pia hasla wapate ya unga na maswali gani sasa? Oh, niulize maswali mtu ajibu niwape pesa. But I'll be coming in those. But tukianza kufika more than 100 views on YouTube, and then ndakuwa nakuja naanza kupeana giveaways. Yeah. Hello GBP AUD, we enter Ama. Esther Njure, I know her. But I don't know him. I know Esther Njure. Okay. My challenge is entry. Grace M is saying, who is your mentor? I'm the mentor. So Esther Njure is asking on GBP AUD. So let's check GBP AUD once more before we wind up. GBP AUD. GBP AUD. I don't see it on my watch list. On the ITs. Yeah, for GBP AUD, for me, I'm having an entry there and a stop loss way below the flag because that's a flag. Yeah, that's a view on GBP AUD. More questions as we widen up. More questions? Okay. My challenge is that I'm good at analysis, fear of taking the trade. Then the fear of taking trades is because maybe you have been in a losing trade. That's why you have a fear of taking your trades. Esther and Julia, your student, head up kidogo. Oh, okay, yeah. So sorry, Esther. It's because we have a lot of people on YouTube. So I'm like, okay, but I was like, I know Esther and Julia. Okay, ni sawa, nimejua ni wewe. Okay. Any more questions? Any more questions? I see we have more 40 people watching. Also, any other recommendation? I can adjust my analysis on YouTube, which one you can be able to access them. Maybe you can let me know. Should I be coming live on YouTube at night, or should I be coming this time early morning? On what time are you looking for me to be coming live? Let's engage on the comment section and make sure that you're hitting the love button. And another thing is, the way you can support me is by hitting the notification bell. So as anytime I'm live on YouTube, you can get notified that I'm live on YouTube. So hit that notification bell on my YouTube channel. So anytime I come live, because this live you're benefiting from this live, you're getting market insight, you're getting their mentorship, and this is one of the best lives that you could be able to access as a forex trader. So also those on TikTok, make sure that you watch me on my YouTube channel as Dr. Forex. I do come live daily, each and every day, doing the market analysis and the market insight. And yeah, it seems that all questions are over. Which trade can we take now? Yaunga. Tunatafuta Yaunga. Okay, so let me educate you something. So trading is not that like you have to trade each and every day because you have to make money. The moment you approach trading in that scenario of like you want to press a trade that day because it's a must for me to trade that day, you end up losing because we had entries za jana, we took entries za Friday zina run bado. Kama Jen Gazoga amesema amehold Euro USD, akina GU, hizo trades zote bado zina run. So but ukianza kukimishana na the market now, each and every day you have to trade, you make yourself utapata umetego umeanguka. So for me hizo trades za jana ziko sawa unless we wait for the other setups zenye nimefanya. Kama hizo USDCH nimepeana other setups pia za gold, nimepeana either other setups. You can watch this live, huwa si delete hii live, huwa inabaki tu kwa YouTube. Unaweza repeat uone ni setups gani nimepeana so they can clearly have a view of the market. But pia Eurocard, this one is to continue more. These are flag. These are flag. Most says on Eurocard itashuka tu bado. So make sure that you are not forcing the market like each and every day unataka kuingia entry because now you want to make. Can I take US oil on retracement after 68.18? Let me check US oil. US oil nimesema tuongoje pale kwa order block. See nimepeana hii this view. Nimepeana this view on order block hapa. This order block. So nimeongoja mtu irudi hapa. So another thing nikisema tunaongoja market buy ikuje hapa ndo tuchukue size, usijaribu kuanza kubuy hapa kuendanisha na hii market. Note that ukianza kubuy you are opposing the overall direction of the market. So wait for the market irudi to your position ama your key entry point so you can trigger your positions here. Do you offer copy trading? Yes, actually nimekuwa na copy trading, but copy trading yangu watu wamesema ni ya pesa mingi. So nitaroll up copy trading ya hizi ya $100, nitaroll copy trading ya from $200 to $300. These are things that one people can afford now. Because nimekuwa na copy trading ya 1,500 na 2,000 watu wamekuwa kusema, hello Dr. Forex, can you do AUD card? I'm winding up, so you can keep on asking me questions before I wind up. AUD card, AUD card, AUD card. And we have a lot of traders. 40 people are watching. So meaning 40 people, they are trading. AUD card. So kama utrade wewe uko peke yako. No. AUD card ilikata. AUD card hapana. Yesterday we had the AUD card on Friday. Hii trading kutangu Friday ikamove kidogo. AUD card. Don't try to buy AUD card. Don't try. Because now this one is a flag imeformiwa hapa. So this is a flag. You can clearly see. So this will still drop. This is AUD card. This will still drop. Na nimesema on let me show you something. It will still drop on you can clearly see on there is very bearish. So AUD card it will still drop. So those one on buys on AUD card and anaona miacha pia order block on forwards. Don't try to buy AUD card. It will still drop. Okay, you haven't answered the criteria used to get an order block. Early morning analysis is very much okay. Then I'll be coming early morning, Alex. Okay, so you haven't answered the criteria to check an order block. So for me, an order block, I check for an impulsive movement. So there has to be a very impulsive movement so I can be able to identify an order block, and then it has to be the only zone left behind. So that's the criteria I do check to check a valid order book. More questions? Can I sell NZD card? NZD card. Yes, we said NZD card has a flag. For me, I'm bearish on NZD card. Have a tight stop loss above it, but don't go heavy on it. Use smart triangle to lay your orders. By mini smart triangles, I mean have your first orders within the flag, and then the second orders once the flag is broken on the below. So thank you so much for joining my live. I think that's the end of today's live. You can join me again tomorrow on Wednesday. I'll come again, and tomorrow is CPI. I don't trade fundamentals. So I'll be back again tomorrow mornings, though there will be CPI afternoon. I won't recommend people to trade CPI, but it's still okay. So thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Bye bye to everybody watching. Bye bye.